You have, after the modeling, become a pioneer in eco-fashion and became quite a toast of the town here in New York City as a fashion designer. What was that like, being an eco-fashion designer before the word eco-fashion even existed?
I had a passion for creating design, and I also had a passion for sustainability, which came from my family's background. It's really very popular now, but when we had first created our company and wanted to work with that, it was a very different story. So I only used recycled fibers and created both a home and an apparel collection. And then shortly after, we did bring it actually to Walmart. We brought it to a couple of other big retailers.
And how did that go?
Well, it was like, what's eco-fashion? But,
Well, they certainly know now.
Yes,
Maybe
yeah,
you should
they know now.
approach them again.
Yeah, well, we are working out, we've got some things developed, and so, yeah. But you're right, of course.
So you're really a pioneer in eco-fashion.
Well, that's nice for you to say. I don't know if I...
Eco Boys and Girls. Can you tell me a little bit more about it? Because it's really not about fashion here, is it?
The Eco Boys and Girls are an edutainment brand of 5 characters: Ernie Earth, and Patsy Peace, and Sammy Sun, and Lulu Love, and Ray Recycle, and they're characters that are meant to entertain children and engage them in being better environmental stewards. Eco Boys and Girls is one brand that we've created, and we have a website for that. That's for environmental stewardship for children. Then we have a couple of other brands that are being developed and actually created now as well.
Well, can you tell me more about those, please?
For the eco-fashion, we have eco-brands, and that was really more of an activism.
Tell me about the third project you're involved with.
Well, it's another brand, and it's called Peace Earth, and it's around sustainable peace.
Secret. There is a new Antonio book out, which Maria Schneider is in, and an ad campaign for MAC Cosmetic that also Maria Schneider is featured in, and that's due to come out soon, isn't it?
Yes, yeah. The MAC Cosmetic campaign, I think, is coming out this fall. And I work closely with Antonio Lopez. Yeah, he was a wonderful man and a great artist and one of the great illustrators of our time and certainly of the century, supposedly. I mean, what many people say.
Now, do you have any juicy stories about Antonio that you can share with our audience?
I don't know if I want to share them.
Well, I must say you express yourself very, very well. I absolutely adore your imagery, whether it's in fashion, accessories, paintings, because you also do wonderful paintings, or in the books, Eco Boys and Girls. You're very, very talented. And it's been a pleasure talking with you. And please, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to find out more about what Maria Schneider is up to, go to her website, mariaschneider.com.
Thank you, Eddie. Great to see you, as always.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye.